Assalamualaikum. Hi, today our group like to present about programmable logic control based on case study which we have implemented. My name is Muhammad Amir Rahman bin Kamar Zaman and my matrix number is 24 DKM 31F1130. I am presenting about problem identification. What the problem is, every workshop or laboratory has machines such as lathe machine, CNC, centrifuge machine and other. Sometimes we will forget to shut off the circuit after leaving the workshop or laboratory. To address this condition, we need to create software that can automatically cut off all the current after few hours or second. Second slide is our proposed automated solution. The method to address this problem, we design a program utilizing PLC that may define a time to switch off the electrical connections. For example, we put 1 hour in the program and after 1 hour, the current will automatically be turned off by the PLC and we don't need to hand control it. Using this method, it may help us preserve more energy and ensure safety in the laboratory or workplace.
Saya Muhammad Azam bin Jazmi, nombor meter 24 DKM 21F1136. Saya ingin menerangkan tentang PLC programming. Kami menggunakan 3 input dan 2 output. Input yang pertama iaitu push button, input kedua menggunakan internal relay dan input yang ketiga iaitu stop button. Bagi output pula, kami output yang pertama iaitu timer, output yang kedua pula relay. Bagi address push button iaitu 0.00, bagi address internal relay pula 20.00 dan address bagi stop button iaitu 0.03. Output pula address bagi timer iaitu 000 dan address bagi relay iaitu 0.03. Untuk description pula, when switch on the start push button 0.00, it will transmit the sequence the internal relay 20.00. After that, the internal relay will keep the sequence descent is in the first round. For the second round, when the internal relay has accepted the sequence, will continue sending to their timer. Timer will control the time for active electrical current. After the countdown, the timer will send the sequence to T00 and it will send to the 0.03 relay. When the relay has accepted the sequence, it will send back to the first round. For normally closed with 0.03 and the current will be deactivated.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Lava Ismin Mazroni and my matrix number is 34 DKM 21F1094 and I will continue with implementation plan. There is 11 the plan we have. First, we go to system overview, which is our first plan. System overview is define the purpose and scope of the problem integration, make an automation solution to solve the problem integration. List all the components involved like PLC. Second plan is requirement analysis, which is identify input and output that we have used, such as push button and our output such as timer or relay. Our third plan is PLC selection. We use a suitable PLC model, which is CX programmer, which is the one we use to make ladder diagram. The fourth implementation plan is hardware installation, which is install, configure the PLC hardware and connect the sensor to the PLC input and the output model. Number 5 is software development, which is to design the ladder diagram that we need to use and implement the error handling and fault tolerance mechanism. Number 6 is testing and debugging, which is conduct the initial testing of individual component that we use and debug the PLC program to ensure its correct functionality. Number 7 is integration testing, which is integrate all system components and test their interaction. Number 8 is simulate, which is simulate different scenario to validate the system response. Number 9 is documentation, which is create comprehensive documentation for the PLC program, which include detailed description of the control logic. Number 10 is training, which is provide the guidance on troubleshooting and handling common issue like overheating. Number 11 is maintenance plan, which is develop routine maintenance plan for the PLC and associate component.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Syarul Azri bin Syukur, nombor metrik 24 DKM 21F1022. I will explain about project documentation. First, the challenge we faced was to make a ladder diagram to solve our problem identification based on the knowledge that we learned in PLC classes. Number 2, other than that, if we are confused about how to build the ladder diagram, we will search the video from YouTube about the PLC lesson so that we can learn it as many times as we want until we understand it.
Okay, next is testing evaluation, which is after testing the PLC program, we noticed that there was no error in our PLC program. All the PLC programming was functioned correctly according what we need. The PLC programming completely solved our problem identification, which is to stop function for 1 hour. After that, the machine will turn on and be ready to use. That machine is fully safety and the student will use it.
Okay, for the conclusion, after we complete this case study, learn many things from it. Firstly, we learn how to make a problem identification and solve the problem. Secondly, we learn the inventory of the components that we use to solve our problem identification. Next, we know how to construct the ladder diagram and PLC I/O and CX Programmer version 9.4 software. After that, we simulate our ladder diagram to know if the ladder diagram has an error on it. Next, we evaluate the PLC programming to know that it is entirely safe. Last but not least, we expect that the next generation will change our PLC programming, which has new components in that era that are more efficient to use. That's all from us. Thank you.